Hey everybody, it's Bobby here today, and I've got another great recipe for you. This one comes courtesy of Paula Deen magazine. This is an interesting recipe and one that I like. It's skillet chicken, peas, and greens. So you're gonna have your protein, and you're gonna have, I suppose, a legume, and you're gonna have some greenery and some tomatoes all in the same skillet. I love it. We don't have to go to the oven. It'll just be sort of a 1, 2, 3, 4 process, but it's all pretty simple. So we'll start with a skillet, which I've got warming with a little olive oil. And to it, I'm gonna add a couple of chicken breasts. And we're gonna cook them not all the way through. We're just gonna brown them on both sides, 3 or 4 minutes over sort of a medium-high heat. And we'll let them get some nice color to them and flip them, and we'll remove them, and then we'll go to the next step in the process. But that is the beginning. Okay, so we'll take a break and we'll come right back. So the chicken's beautiful. That's probably about 130 degrees or so. It's not cooked all the way through. It's just nice and brown on the outside. Now to the skillet, we're gonna add our peas. And chicken broth.
That's going to cool things down quick.
And we will stir our peas in a little bit. Scrape up some of that fond. There was some of the nice brown fond on the bottom of the skillet from the chicken. Scrape up some of those bits. And we're gonna cover our skillet, and we'll let our peas and chicken broth do their thing for, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes. And then we'll add our chicken back to the pan. So let's go ahead and take one more break and come right back. All right, so our peas and chicken broth look really good. It's doing exactly what we had wanted it to do. Hey, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. La, 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 la. Hey, Lou.
Come on, Lily.
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put my chicken back in. That looks really good. Just find myself a little spot to put it. And now we're gonna cook this for a few more minutes until our chicken broth is fully evaporated. And then we'll add in our greenery and our tomatoes. So we'll take one more break, maybe 2, but we'll take one right now, and we'll come right back. Our dish is coming together nicely. The chicken is nestled down in there with the peas and the chicken. The chicken broth is just about completely evaporated. Not totally, but just about. Just the right amount in there right now. And we'll go ahead and start to add our arugula. I'm gonna add it little by little in batches. And get it to wilt down. And we'll use the whole package if we can fit it in there. And try to do so without beating up my peas. Try to fold it in there. Smells nice. I love the green in there too. And the tomatoes are going to add a nice pop of color also.
What's up?
Yep, starting to wilt in a little bit. Might be a stretch to get all of it in there. I don't think we really need all of it. I think we could get away with about half of the arugula. Let the steam do its thing on that. Oops. Get back in there. Now to this, I'm going to add some tomatoes that I've got cut in half. and a half teaspoon of garlic salt. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. I did before I put my chicken breasts in, I did season them with a little bit of salt and pepper from the very beginning. So the chicken breasts aren't just naked, they are seasoned. That is a pretty, pretty dish. The trick is to stir without creating bean dip. Really do want to be careful and gently fold everything in there. I'm going to make a executive decision here to just cover this just for a minute more. So we'll take one last break. I'm going to cover this just for the last minute or two, and we'll come right back. Turned out great. The chicken's beautiful. Those vegetables really, I mean, look how nice. It just looks great. I love it. So we checked the temperature on the chicken, and it's 165. That's perfect. Those juices are clear, so I'm just to the side here going to add some of our peas and arugula and tomatoes. Gosh, does that look nice. Beautiful. That looks great. I know it's hot as can be, but I want to taste that chicken, so I want to taste the whole thing. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. 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 Man, chicken's good. Mm-hmm. It's wonderful, Teresa. So good. I love peas, I love arugula, and I love tomatoes. And chicken is like a staple at our house. In fact, with the prices of beef, we eat way more chicken and way more fish than we do beef. Anyway, and my kids love it. This is a beautiful, really easy dish. I think that you'll like it. And there you have it. So skillet chicken, peas, and greens. A Southerner's dream, yeah?
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.